On dates, I was not able to afford Kempinski. Now today I can afford. I will take her to Kempinski before I fly to Mombasa in the evening. But those days, even 2,000 shillings of date was prohibited. I couldn't afford. So what I did, I came with my sandwiches, willingly, happily. Where did we go? Those days, Uhuru Park was still free. She came with a leso. That is all you need to handle a good date. As long as we were outside and it was nice, it was private, but also public, private, you understand? You need to date public, private, isn't it? If you're concerned about purity, which is another important value, we will read that where Rebecca is put forth as a virgin, and then the Bible says, comma, no man had known her. In biblical language, that stresses beyond physical virginity to the mind. There are people who may have not been touched down there, but their minds. Let's leave that aside. For me, what I chose was, as she came over, ate my sandwiches, she was not a Delilah. You know what a Delilah is? Devourer. Inakumaliza tu, inaitwa kukuground, eh? So when she finished eating my sandwiches, she asked me for the recipe. She went, made the sandwiches, and went to her medical school class, and she sold sandwiches and grew the amounts into the next day. I said, this one is ready for marriage. There was no other evidence. You know that song, I need no other.
Get the point. Take a step forward.